Remove the wooden beam from your eye first, then you will see clearly to remove the splinter in your brother's eye. My dear brothers and sisters, with these words, the Lord is reminding us that we have an obligation to correct each other. We have the obligation to point out what is wrong. Hindi naman tayo pinagbabawalan ng Panginoon na iwasto ang ating kapwa. Hindi naman tayo pinagbabawalan ng Panginoon na punahin ang maling ginagawa ng ating kapwa. Kaya lang, ang sinasabi niya sa atin, ayusin mo muna ang buhay mo bago mo ayusin yung buhay ng iba. Tumingin ka sa salamin at tignan mo, baka may marumi sa mukha mo bago mo sabihin sa ibang tao ang dumi ng mukha mo. I hope that is very clear, that it is our obligation to correct one another. We cannot just close our eyes and pretend that everything is okay. It is not. There are wrong things happening in us, around us, in our society. We cannot just keep quiet. There are injustices being committed left and right. Corruption everywhere. Stealing everywhere. We cannot just keep quiet. But before we say something, we have to be clear. We have to be sure that we are not guilty of the same offense. Kasi kuminsan, ang tapang-tapang nating mamuna. Pero tayo din pala marumi. Linisin muna natin ang ating sarili bago natin sabihin sa ibang tao, maglinis ka. Ayusin muna natin ang ating buhay bago natin sabihin sa kapwa nating, ayusin mo ang buhay mo. Remove the wooden beam from your eye first, then you will see clearly to remove the splinter in your brother's eye. Kaya siguro po, yan ang isang biyayang hilingin natin sa Panginoon sa umagang ito. Ang biyaya ng kababaang loob, the virtue of humility. Let us ask for that so that we may be able to see ourselves as who we are. Correct what is wrong with us so that we will become credible when we correct other people. Alam po ninyo, nung nangangampanya kami para kay Lenny, isa sa mga reaksyon ng mga tao, nako, Father, pare-pareho din naman yan eh. Yun, pare-pareho lang naman yung mga yan. It's very sad that some Filipinos have already gotten that mentality, have become skeptic. They are all the same. They are all the same. Yun nga, kasi sometimes the people who are criticizing, the politicians who are criticizing others, they themselves are guilty of corruption. So, ulitin ko, ayusin muna natin ang buhay natin bago natin sabihin sa iba, ayusin mo ang buhay mo. Amen.